morning, driving through the power turbines of Indiana. Headed from Chicago to just southeast of Indianapolis this morning. Hopefully gonna pick something up nice. Early morning this morning. It's 5:30. I've already been on the road for 2 hours. Headed from Chicago down to southeast of Indianapolis. Gonna go pick up something, I hope. We'll see if this bike turns out to be as good as I hope it is. Almost there, just in time for a beautiful sunrise. I found this BMW F650 GS Dakar edition on Facebook Marketplace earlier in the week. I was really excited. I've always wanted one of these ever since they came out in the early 2000s. I'm a big BMW fan and a big Dakar Rally fan. So this bike combines the two of those loves. So here we are in the garage looking over the bike. I'm trying to hide my excitement. Here on the test ride, it's going well. The check in his garage went well. I went through my list. I got off of one of the F650 sites, and the checklist checked out pretty well. The chain needs some oiling. The valves haven't been adjusted in a while. Oil change and filter haven't been done for 2,000 miles. So, in fact, the valves probably have never been done, is my guess. But there's no corrosion on the wheels. If I oiled the chain, changed the engine oil, and replaced these lenses, these correct lenses, and gave it a good bath, I think I'd be in pretty good shape on this. So I think I'm going to make him an offer and see what he'll take. Wish me luck, but I'm pretty excited. These tires are pretty bald. Well, the rear is pretty bald, the front's okay. So for trail riding I want to use on it, I would have to change that to be safe, but not too bad. So I'm going to head back to his garage, give him one more look over, and make him an offer. And I got it bought. She's mine. Gonna drive back home to Chicago now, about 4 hours, and can't wait to get in the garage, clean up those wheels and swing arm, and start ordering some maintenance parts.
My ears been to the track, and now I got some cold.
Unloaded the bike, and here it is next to its garage mates. Got the trailer dropped off, get the Toyota back in the garage, and maybe I'll give it a wash this afternoon too. And then to order some parts.
My ears been to the track, and now I got some cold. It splices the sky with the dust of the ground, and here I make a stand. We'll cover it by two arrows.
Well, it cleaned up pretty nice. I did leave some mud on the tires, unfortunately, around the edges, so that looks ugly, but it looks pretty good, and it cleans up pretty nice, actually. I was pretty happy with how it turned out. The paint's pretty good, just with a few scratches here and there, but for the price, it's not so bad. So I've got a list of things I want to do on it over here. Clean and lube the chain, flush the front and rear brakes, change the air filter, do an oil filter change. I should probably replace the tires and then get it registered. The tires are pretty bad. I won't be riding this one too much. It won't be a daily or anything for me, but those are pretty thin looking tires. I did already take off the light bar, you may have noticed. The previous owner had rigged up a aluminum square tube type or angle iron type light mount. The lights didn't work anyway, which he had told me in the ad before I even showed up, but I preferred to take it off, so I did, and of course reattached the bolts. They were pretty stiff to get out, so I put some brake caliper grease on them to keep them moisture free and hopefully lubed up and ready for removal again if they ever need to come off again. So a few things to do on it, but pretty happy so far. One thing I need to add to my list, these lenses right here, of course. He had told me about that as well in the ad before I got there even. So I am going to also address the gas leak, which was on top of the tank or on top of the fuel pump area. So that's got to get addressed too, but I'll add that to my list. Anyway, pretty good first day with this bike. I'm really happy with it. I've wanted one of these for a long time, ever since they were new. I'm a big BMW fan and a big Dakar Rally fan. Plus I love the paint scheme on this particular bike. So really cool that I was able to snag one for a pretty good price, and I'll be enjoying it. Stay tuned for some more videos. You can also check out other videos I have on my channel regarding my Honda 400EX ATV, and I'll be starting a series with this Honda right here. More to come on that one.